So this is basically the first real drive of the ESS G1 kit because it's broken in and everything. So, oh my god. This slope is very aggressive, so I have to... Oh yeah, no. The other one, because I'm not about to break this slip already. Like the way the power comes on in this thing, it's like, it's very progressive. So the car just feels way faster than it was before. Like, and I'm pretty sure I'm just scared of not flooring it. And there's also a bit of traffic, but oh my god, I'm going to go to prison. Like, I'm going to prison. Because there's literally no way. Like, this thing is just like effortlessly quick now. Like, and it makes the drivability better. And that's only 6 steps. Wow. And there's also just no space. Like, once you actually start to give it some juice, you just see that there's really no space. Because, wow. And that's one thing I like about superchargers. It's not like a turbo where you have to wait for it to load up and then boom, it's just like a kick in the ass. This is just progressive. So it's basically the car how it was, just a step higher. And also, this is the medium pulley. I also still have to get my smaller pulley to give more boost. So I already know with that one, the car's going to feel way different even in comparison to this. So that I also can't wait for. But let's try a little third gear roll on. Well, if there's even any space, but yeah, no, there's no space. There's literally no space. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, that's something. Like, the way it gets up to speed now is so different than before, because it's like, once it starts to get into the higher boost, like, it just drags the car on. So it's just like, give me more, give me more. And I didn't even get anywhere near the top of third. And yeah, that's pretty scary. So now the limiting factor with this is me. So let me try a fourth gear. Oh my god, that's really the annoying thing. Like, people will hear you coming and just go in your way. So let me. Oh my god. And again, I didn't get anywhere into fourth. Like, that was literally giving it nothing. And it just brought me up to a good rate of social distancing, let me say, because that is damn. Oh my god. Yeah, I personally don't know why anybody would need much more horsepower than this. Maybe a bit more torque and stuff like that, just to carry it along a little bit better, but this is quite fast. I can honestly say, like, this is quite fast. And also coming into it, I didn't really have much expectations for it because I've never really driven a supercharger car, or a car that went from supercharged to non-supercharged, and there's also so many different types of superchargers, and the way that the supercharger's power comes on, like, it's all different. So I really just came with with little to no expectation. I'm just gonna see how it is and see how I like it, and this is amazing. Wow, this just makes the drivability of the car that much better, and it makes defensive driving that much better, you know, because it's like, god damn. Like, if I have to get out of somebody's way, or like let's say a truck is like coming into my lane or anything like that, it's just like I can just give it a little juice. Oh, wow, that's crazy. The car does run a lot hotter, and that's a given, but let me see. Down. So I put it into fifth and cruise, and the temperature should probably, you can see it creeping down a little bit. Okay, you just put it in fifth cruise. Sixth. Okay, so I want to feel like I'm in a Prius or something. And I don't know why people in Massachusetts love to hog the passing lane, but that's very annoying, and it really disrupts my driving. Right now I'm in sixth doing 80, and I'm not even at 80, I'm like 75, but I'm at like 3,000 RPM, and it's cool. Like, it just feels like a regular car. Not even giving it anything. That's probably like 50% throttle. I'm actually pretty scared to put it into full throttle, to be 100% honest. I'm scared. Like, and there's really, especially right now, there's nowhere I can go to actually give it full throttle, because even 50%, there was a car probably like half a mile, quarter mile up, and I literally just reached it. Like, wow. Actually, I'm gonna go down a couple more exits and see. Maybe I'll find a little bit of space. I can feel the car just telling me to kick it, but there's really no space to do that. Oh my god. Yeah, there's no space for this. I can, like, I probably had a good mile, and I gave it 50% throttle in third, and I literally just reached the car in 0 amount of time. That is crazy. God damn. That is something else. Yeah, this is how the car should be like it should, like how the Alpinas are. Even if it gave it like one of the 100 horsepower adding superchargers from factory, this car would, yeah, this is really how it should have been. Because there's just no, yeah, there's just no words. Okay, so the car is hot, so the thermostat's keeping the fan on to cool it down. But yeah, I can honestly say this car is going to make me go to prison or something, because this is obscenely fast. Like, as you guys saw in the driving clips, I was trying to get up to the rev limit. It wouldn't go. Like, it just literally would not get there, because by the time I got up to 7,000, I was already like about to rear end the car. And this thing, my god, it's like, this is really an animal. And to think that this thing is going to get a smaller pulley, E85, a better tune, headers if I didn't say it, in a different exhaust and all that. So I'm probably going to get like another 100 horsepower on top and maybe like another 50 torque. And this is obscene. Like, oh my god, I really just can't put words to it. This car is, wow. I'm sorry that I'm not being descriptive or anything like that, but this car is really a weapon. Like, I can't describe what, yeah. Man. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm literally no help. I thought I would be able to put this to words, but I just cannot. Like, yeah. All I can say is maybe anybody like try and drive one or something, if you guys, or get a ride along in one, because that's literally the only way that you'd be able to understand what I mean by this car is a weapon, an animal. It's evil, it's angry, it's just everything bad, but it's just so good. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. There's a lot more content to come. I'm gonna go on every cruise I can. I'm gonna look for supercars. I'm gonna look for tuner cars, like all types of built cars, everything I can find. I'm going to find it, and I'm going to what do you call it? And I'm going to what's the word? And I'm gonna see what I could do with this car, see, like speed-wise and everything like that. I'm gonna see if I can muster up the courage and find enough space to actually rev this thing all the way out and do like some 60 to 130s and some like 650 to 150s and 180 and all that. But for now, there's really not much I can do because there's too much traffic. I really did want to try some 60 to 130s just to see if I could do it, you know, like just off the top of my head. But there was no space at all. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I already drank my water, so drink water, motherfuckers.